Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Phenoxybenzamine. Phenoxybenzamine Phenoxybenzamine is an alpha-1 and alpha-2 blockers. It forms a covalent bond. This phenoxybenzamine is beta-haloalkylamine. This phenoxybenzamine has more action on alpha-1 than alpha-2 and it is irreversible blocker. The drug of choice for phenoxybenzamine is actually it is used in pheochromocytoma. Phenoxybenzamine is used in pheochromocytoma. So do not use alpha blockers in untreated pheochromocytoma. Sorry, if there is a pheochromocytoma which is untreated, first we use alpha blockers followed by beta blockers. Do not use beta blockers first in pheochromocytoma which is untreated. Always you should block alpha blockers and then block the beta blockers. Then
thank you and thank you for watching.